The Eclipse Cross multimedia system provides preset station settings for each radio band. To preset a station, start from the home screen and then select Multimedia. Please note, if audio is already playing, you'll need to press Source or Back to get to the Multimedia submenu. From this screen, which shows the current station playing, you can manually seek and locate a new station by using the double arrow, single arrow, or scan buttons. Double arrows will take you to the next station, while single arrows are used for tuning. There's also a direct tune button if you know the station number, as well as a station list option. Once you have tuned the radio to the desired station, locate the list of preset stations on the screen, then press and hold the desired preset location until you hear this beep. That sound confirms that the station has been stored, and you will now see it included on the list of other preset stations. This view shows the first 6 presets. The arrows can be used to cycle through the remaining list of preset stations. For more information on radio presets and other infotainment systems, please refer to your 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Owner's Handbook. Thanks for watching.